Hi guys, so welcome back. Welcome to your channel Cooking Astrology. Today in this video I'm going to describe you about planet Sun placement in the sign of Capricorn and why this placement is more damaging rather than Sun in the sign of Libra. And what are the kind of positive and negative results which you reap out in your life, and why there is a karmic backlog connected with Sun in the sign of Capricorn, why you have to suffer because of your ancestors in this present birth. Everything related to this placement I'm going to explain you. See, first of all, we have to have basic understanding regarding planet Sun and the sign of Capricorn. Only then we are going to relate these two entities. See, planet Sun represents your ego. It represents your soul, the purity of your soul. Sun represents the light phase, like I'm filming this video in the light, so that light phase is seen from Sun. Apart from this, Sun represents your father, the relationship with your father, your relationship with the government officials, all the chief level people in any organization, all the rulers that are ruling some kind of a nation or some mass population. So that thing is also Sun represented by Sun. Also the kind of authority and power which you are going to get in this present birth is also seen from Sun. Sun represents your health, your vitality, all the politicians, the knowledge regarding the Vedanta, spirituality and everything. So it is quite an important planet. And on the other hand, the sign of Capricorn, which is ruled by planet Saturn, it is a very constrained and very structured sign. These people, they are having that kind of a mindset of doing time to time task. 9 to 10 o'clock, do that thing. 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, do that thing. Then that proper schedule they are having. Like, okay, I have to do this, that structured brain. And whenever they try to go outside from that area to have some kind of a fun and enjoy, again Saturn grips their mind. Some kind of it instincts some kind of a fear inside their mind. And then they again go back towards doing work. So that is the reason behind the main workaholics are also seen with this sign. So whenever like planet Sun, the authority and power comes with that kind of energy, the Capricornian energy in their sign, first of all, these people, they feel lot of constrained and structured in their own life as well. Like whenever they try to express themselves in front of other, no one is listening them. No one. And then they get completely fed up. Like, I'm trying to do this thing to that person, but no one is listening to me. Apart from this, some kind of a ego battle from the within, from the inside, they also have to like face a lot. Suppose they are trying to do something which is going to benefit the society, but from the within, their ego is always crying, no, you don't have to do this thing, you don't have to be that much charitable, you don't have to do that kind of a thing. And that thing is present inside their heart. So they will face lot of struggles in their life, lot of struggling life. Also, have you seen the stories of rags to riches? Like one time the person belonged to very rich family and that thing, and something happened and person fell down to the very poor situation. That kind of things are also connected with the sign of Capricorn. If you are having this placement, it means in your previous ancestors or in your family, in your past life or some previous family, your ancestors are going to be very rich, and then again you have to face the very poor phase in your life. Again you have to go towards the riches, and this cycle will keep on. And this kind of a situation occurred because Capricorn, it is a very karmic sign, very karmic sign. Some kind of a, because this sign is ruled by planet Saturn, and Saturn is a very karmic planet. So such kind of a karmas are also connected with your own father as well. Some kind of a secrets or some kind of a thing that is always present between you and your father, or your father is having that kind of a connections with the government officials which no one have. So that kind of a placements are seen with this placement. Also the sign of Capricorn and Sun placement in this sign, especially if it is in connection with the wealth houses 2nd and 11th, it have the ability to destroy your complete wealth, and you have to again start from the zero, then again build that kind of a wealth, and then again you destroy and again do that thing. And that thing is there is that is not your fault if that thing is happening in your life as well, because I told you there is some kind of a karmic backlog which is seen with the sign of Capricorn. Also sun, it is a very like hot burning red planet, and Capricorn, it is a earth element. It is a earth element where you have to perform your duties, you have to perform your work, and earth represents some kind of wealth as well, because all the wealth is hidden inside the planet earth. So sun, whenever that fiery planet comes in the earth, it have the tendency to destroy the wealth as well, even all the aspect related to your karmic yogas. Suppose they are performing some kind of a task in their life, but from the within they always feel, no, I'm not meant for this thing, I will meant for some kind of a different thing, or I have to do some different thing in my life. But the belief system of their family is highly instinct inside them. It is very difficult for these individuals to break that grip, to free themselves from that foundations of the Saturn. It is very, very difficult. Also, if you look at sun in the sign of Capricorn, it is aspecting the sign of Cancer, which is ruled by planet Moon, and that Cancer represents mother and motherly nourishment. So that it also represents some kind of a bad relationship with their own parents as well, especially between mother and father. And because of their misunderstandings, they have to suffer a lot. Your childhood days are like extremely difficult for you to sustain. Or as I told you, it is a karmic sign, or whether they are very good, you are having a very prosperous childhood days. Because here it is difficult to predict, predictability is very, very difficult, because some kind of ancestor energy, whenever, like, have you seen the Jupiter in the sign of Capricorn, it is debilitated. So that kind of a Shapit dosha, or some kind of a, like, Pitri dosha, that is seen with this placement. So there is something present in the sign of Capricorn. Sun have nothing to do with any kind of a thing, but the Capricorn is the main thing which we have to look after. Also, one more thing, I will tell you one simple remedy. If you are having this placement, dealing with such kind of issues in your life, please try to offer one chapati, put some ghee and some sugar upon it, and give that chapati to crows. Yes, crows, on Saturday. That thing is going to be very, very beneficial in the long run. That thing will going to help you a lot in moving from your difficulties to the path of the progress or the path of prosperity. And do this remedy on monthly basis. In a month you have to perform this remedy once. So that thing is going to be very, very helpful for you guys. So I hope you like my analysis regarding sun placement in the sign of Capricorn. If you want to know where your sun is posited, what are the kind of result it is giving in your life, what are your other aspects, is that sun impacting your career or your married life, please shoot me an email, guys, and I will respond you back within 48 hours after receiving your email. So till then, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it below, and make sure to please hit the like button. If you want to ask, please mention below the comment. I will reply each and every comment. So please do it, whatever you want to do. I will meet you very, very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.